Welcome to Chef Bimal kitchen. Today I am going to prepare Indian dessert recipe which is Kaju ki Katli, or you can say Cashew nut Katli, and this recipe is very simple to make. I hope you'll enjoy this recipe. So first of all, I have taken 350 gram of cashew nut, and I am going to grind it till fine powder. So now you can see it is ready now. Now I am going to strain this mixture so that there is no any lumps into it. So it has been strained well. Now I have taken 1 cup of sugar and half cup of water. And I am going to whisk it. So I am going to make sugar syrup till 1 string consistency. So you can check by your finger how it is. So now it is ready. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and I am going to mix it again. Now I am going to add cashew nut powder into it, and I am going to mix it well in very low flame, otherwise it is going to be burnt. And make sure you are going to stir continuously. So mixture is ready now. Now I have taken 1 parchment paper and I am going to transfer all this mixture into it. Now I am going to fold all sides and I am going to make like a dough. So you can see it is ready now, and I am going to make it smooth. So now I have taken 1 rolling pin and I am going to apply butter into it or ghee, and I am going to roll it. Now I am going to apply silver leaf on top of it. You can see I have applied all over. Now I am going to cut all sides. Now I am going to cut into a square in shape, or you can cut any kind of shape as you like. Kaju Katli is ready now. Now I am going to transfer it into serving platter. Let me try how it is. Wow, it tastes very yummy, and very simple to make. I hope you'll enjoy this recipe. So if you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you for watching.